So today, first 10 minutes will be what we'll just review what we are doing actually. Okay. See here, we all try to focus. That is the truth. It's nothing like I'm not telling. I mean, no one in this class or no one in another in your regular classroom programs or whatever it is, nobody wants to waste time there. Everybody wants to focus, but it's not happening. The mood is not up to the mark to focus on the subject, or you feel already you are preoccupied. All these things are there. That too, particularly in this period, you have the internship problem, where if you are in a government dental college, you have a lot of patients to cater, or if you are in a private dental college, you will have to you have other activities, arranging for a project or dummy case sheets, all those things. So that is taking your time during internship. Family functions, obviously, weekend means somebody keeps a function, some marriage or something is there, that your time goes off. Obviously, friends are a double-edged sword. They can motivate you and push you up also, or they can even demotivate you and pull you down also. Both, it is possible actually. Okay, friends are fluorides. Okay, friends of like fluorides. Excess use of friends might lead to fluorosis. Very less use might be, what to say, beneficial to you. Unwell relatives. Again, unfortunately, you people are doctors. And if anybody gets sick and all, people will expect you to take care or be in the hospital with them. Those kind of problems can happen. Me time. This is one common trending thing. No, I want my time. I just want to just be with myself. I don't want to do any work at that point of time. I want to just think. All those times there. Many times depression because of some factor or something you expected will go this way and it didn't happen at all. Bad days. You try to take an impression, it doesn't come. You want to do an RCT, the instrument breaks. You, it might not be your fault entirely, but something, the what to say, some unexpected situations, all these things happened and your day went bad. All these problems are there. Have in mind, these problems are not there for you people alone. It was there for me. It was there for my seniors. It was there for my juniors. Now it is there for my previous students. Now you people also will have all these problems. Okay. So it is like you are in a competitive exam. Okay. Have it in mind. You are in a competitive exam. That is, you have to prepare and get a rank better than others. Nobody is asking you to get a mark. Okay, the paper is for 960. I am not asking you people to get above 900. We are just asking you people to get a mark better than most of the people who are writing the exam, or the first 100 people or 300 people. If you can challenge them, that is more than enough. Who knows what mark they will get? It all depends on the question paper that day. So, this is the thing. I have to prepare better than my friend first. I have to prepare better than my college mates. I have to prepare better than my academy people. I have to prepare better than Indian dentists. So your thought process should be like this only. Everybody, see, when you're applying for a competitive exam itself, that means everybody here are competitors. Maybe your best friend is also, he is competing for a rank which you might also be competing. So all are competitors. There is no doubt in that. But what to say? How much I am preparing, how much others are preparing, who will give you all this data? Your preparation time, you know. Others' preparation time, you might not know at all. So there should be a standard preparation time. Okay, this if you are in an internship, at least this much you have to prepare. Okay, because all are here. It is nothing like your father and mother forced you, so you people wanted to write NEET. Nothing like that. Everybody, if at all I'm giving you a seat in your same college, in a government college with a stipend of 50,000, 60,000, you please learn endo from today onwards. You people will be happy to accept it, right? Only thing is that happiness now comes with a struggle. You have to compete with so many people all around India to get this happiness of getting a seat what you want with a stipend. That is, somebody is paying you to study. That's a wonderful thing, actually. Okay. So, you all have the desire for one particular subject. You all have the desire to achieve also. If at all I'm giving you the first rank today, I don't think so. Anybody will tell, no, 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 sir. I don't want first rank. Give me 100th rank or give me 1000th rank. Nobody will tell like that. So, desire is there. Only thing is, you have to work for this now. This work period is 1 year. Whether you will be consistent all the days, God only knows. You might not know. Today, if you even if you promise me, sir, I will every day I'll study for 5 hours, 6 hours, sir. No, that is not going to happen. I also know that. For one whole year, nobody will be able to do it. So failures are there, but the failure should be a of short time. Okay, failure should be of a very short time. It should be a break, a failure, whatever you consider. Today, I am not able to study for 4 hours. That is a failure, but you should consider it as a break. Okay, I have taken a break. Tomorrow, I'll study 5 hours. The next day, I'll study 5 hours. I'll compensate for this 4 hours. It should be like that. So, have in mind, small, in many places, you might slip back, you might fall back, but have in mind whether you are able to come back, whether you are able to compensate for the loss. That only matters here. Okay. You don't have to be a genius to crack this exam. Nobody is expecting you to be. You have to be a hard worker. You have to work hard. Every day you have to be with your book. Every day you have to watch a video. Every day you have to solve some questions. This is what is needed. Have in mind, don't ever think that, see, my class topper or college topper is there. That person is not able to study. How can I study? No, nothing like that. You put your effort. Maybe 10 days it will be difficult. 1 month it will be quite difficult. But after 1 month or 2 months, that's it. You will be on track. You will be able to think like solving an MCQ properly. When you see the options, you might find the answer very easily, which it was not possible in the initial days. Okay, it is a training also. Your mind has to get trained now. Till now, it was talking about 2 marks, 5 marks, 10-mark question. It was not thinking about an MCQ. But now it is only MCQ. You have to get trained. You have to, every day when you see some questions, solve some questions only, you will get trained for this. Some hidden answers are there. Some two similar options are there. How to differentiate? What is the depth of the subject you need? All these things you will start understanding only when you keep doing this job. It is a process. It is not like, sir, today I studied, sir. I came and wrote exam, sir. I got nice marks. Sir, this week I studied, sir, but I didn't get marks at all. It was so much negative, sir. All these issues will be there. Whether you are getting good marks or bad marks doesn't matter here. Whether you are studying for 4 to 5 hours a day in this time period and then attempting an exam, that is only going to make a difference. In another 3, 4 months, you will be, I mean, pretty confident if you do this work, if you do this process. Okay, so have it in mind. This focus, what you have to develop, is not for the marks. It is to start the process. It is to start a routine. My routine is to study from 6 to 10. I will do that for sure. I have to watch one video a day. I have to attend at least one quiz a day or one test a day. All these things should be in your mind. You have to have like a checklist. When you're the night, when you're what to say, going to sleep, video watched, MCQ solved, I have seen pulse, like that it should be. I have discussed with my friend. I had this doubt, question as a doubt. I posted the doubt, or I pulled the leg of my friend with this question, which I learned new. All these things should happen actually. Okay. So have in mind, you are not preparing to get one particular mark. You are preparing to outperform others. If your friend is preparing for 3 hours, that means 3 hours is a standard then. You have to prepare for 3.5 to go better in competition. If somebody is preparing for 5 hours, you will have to prepare for 5 hours, 10 minutes or 15 minutes, or solve one test extra. Then only you will be in competition. Okay. So every day, give yourself some kind of positive reinforcements. Pat yourself. Oh, yesterday you studied based on the target, whatever, all your checklist is ticked. Pat yourself. Treat yourself nicely. So, small things, I mean, keep small targets. Whenever you achieve, feel good about it. Okay. All these things only will make you run this race. Otherwise, within 3-4 months, half the population will be, what to say, down. Whether I might be able to do or not, I don't know whether it is possible. So much is there. Whatever I'm reading is not coming in the questions. Whatever is coming in the questions, I'm not able to solve it. The options are becoming very new. All these issues will be there. Everybody faced it. I faced it once upon a time. Your teachers faced it once upon a time. Your seniors faced it. So you will also face it. But whether you are getting through this program, I mean, problem or not, that only matters here. Okay. So study, whatever happens, study. Whatever marks you get, you keep studying. Definitely things will change. Okay. That's it for today.